Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll teach you how to make a perfect egg wash and the benefits of egg wash. But before we get started, please punch the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. For this egg wash we need 1 whole egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. The purpose of this is to give the final baked product with a golden brown color that is slightly shiny. Now an egg wash is made by simply whisking an egg with 2 tablespoons of milk. Most bakers add water instead of milk, but I always prefer milk. You want to make sure that the egg white and the yolk are completely incorporated and thin enough to easily be brushed on the dough with a pastry brush. Egg wash buns will have a brighter color and it tends to just look a little bit more professional. The vegans can use heavy cream, melted butter, or even a neutral flavored oil to make your baked goods brown. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like and let me know by leaving a comment below. I'll see you next time with another recipe and tips and tricks of cooking and baking. Till then, take care, stay safe.